Hello and welcome to FunnelKit. With FunnelKit, you have the ability to output your order bumps in 6 different positions on your checkout page, offering you complete control over where you show these high converting upsells. Let me show you each of these 6 locations in action on a checkout page. This is above the payment gateways. This is below the payment gateways. This is above the checkout form, which is a great position to output your order bumps if you want to have your order bumps show during the checkout process. Notice how they stick to the top of the checkout form and are visible throughout each step in this multi-step checkout. And inside the mini cart. For checkout pages that have the mini cart disabled, we recommend that you enable the order summary instead, so that your customers are still able to review what they're about to purchase. With the order summary enabled, you can position your order bumps above the order summary or below the order summary. Here are some additional things that we thought you might like to know about this feature. For checkout pages that contain multiple order bumps, you can choose a different position for each order bump, or you can output them all in the one position together. You can also use FunnelKit's built-in A/B testing feature to test an order bump in 2 different positions. By doing this, you can use real numbers and data to figure out which position for your order bump has the highest conversion rate and makes you the most profit. Having the flexibility to change the position of your order bumps on your checkout page is just one of many powerful features included with FunnelKit. Other features include the ability for you to design high converting checkout pages, easily add one-click upsells to boost your average order value, and so much more. To start making more profit with your WooCommerce store, head to our pricing page to see our current deals.